Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change your username on TikTok. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up TikTok and then you have to go here to your profile. Now, if you have just created an account and if you don't like the username or you want to change the username after some time, that's completely up to you. But if you want to change your username, you just have to follow these steps that I'm going to tell you and you'll be good to go. So after opening up your profile, what you need to do is you have to click on edit profile right here. And then here you can see there is an option of username. I'm going to click here, and here, right here, you can change your username. So for example, if I want to make it this, it's not available. So I can do this. Let's see if this username is available. No, it's not available as well. Okay, let's try it with this. Let's see if this is available or not. No, even this is not available. Yes, so this uh, username is available and I can use it. So I'm going to do that. Let me just change one letter right here and see if I can do it now. Yeah, I can do it. So I'm going to click save. So here you can see that a disclaimer is given to me by TikTok that I can only change my username once every 30 days. So once when I do it, I can't change my username for the next 30 days. So I have to be very careful and you have to be very careful while selecting a new username. So that's how you change your username, and I'm going to click confirm. And here you go. My name is changed now and my username is also changed. So this is my new name and my username as well. So I can't change this name or this username for the next 30 days. So you have to be very careful in that in selecting your new username, because once when you do it, you cannot change it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.